If you ever find yourself in a deserted wilderness and think you've stepped on a landmine, what should you do to survive? Should you try demoning techniques like slowly squatting, pressing the pressure plate with your thumb, digging around the mine, and carefully replacing your foot with your hand to hold the pressure until experts can remove it? Or should you immediately drop to the ground to minimize your body's exposure to the blast and avoid being hit by shrapnel? Which method would you choose? Landmines generally trigger in two ways: pressure-activated and release-activated. Normally, pressure-activated mines explode as soon as you step on them, leaving no time to react. For example, the PMN anti-personnel mine has a trigger pressure of only 5 kilograms, so even a newborn stepping on it would cause an explosion. But if you step on it and it doesn't explode, there are two possibilities: either it's faulty or you haven't fully triggered it. In either case, the best approach is to slowly lift your foot, turn around, and carefully retrace your steps to safety. Never attempt to defuse the mine yourself. Since pressure-activated mines explode when stepped on, does that mean release-activated mines only explode when you lift your foot? The American M115 anti-tank mine has a trigger pressure of 160 kilograms, so stepping on it or even standing on it is generally safe as long as you don't jump on it. However, when setting up mines, the enemy might insert an M5 release-activated fuse into the secondary fuse socket at the mine's base, place it in a pre-dug hole, cover it with soil, camouflage it, and then remove the safety pin from the fuse. If you find a mine and, out of concern for others, try to pick it up, the release-activated fuse might trigger during the lifting process, causing the mine to explode. This is the principle behind release-activated mines, which are often used as anti-handling devices. However, there is indeed a type of mine that doesn't explode immediately when stepped on, such as the German Bouncing Betty. Although stepping on it activates the fuse, it burns for 4 seconds before jumping into the air and exploding, causing maximum damage. If you come across a mine like this, drop to the ground immediately after stepping on it. The mine's outer layer is covered with steel balls that scatter in all directions when it explodes. Dropping to the ground increases your chances of survival. No mines explode solely when you lift your foot. If you're unsure about the type of mine, quickly lift your foot, turn around carefully, drop to the ground to assess, and then retrace your steps to safety. Enjoyed this video? Like, comment, and subscribe.